The final suit in the minor arcana is the Pentacles. And in this suit, and for this suit, we're going to meet Karen and go through her story to understand the meanings of each card in the Pentacles. Now, the Pentacles represent the material realm, and they're all about possessions, manifestation, and results. And they're represented by the element of earth, which is very stable, grounded, and solid. So now we're going to go through Karen's story. And Karen decides one day, she's looking through a magazine and she sees an article about ice sculpting. And she realizes that she could start a business with her ice sculpting skills. And the Ace of Pentacles is about new opportunities for growth, for gain, for profit, things like that. It could be a new business. It could be an inheritance or a sum of money that's given to you, or it could be the potential for health and gaining that way. So now Karen has decided to start her ice sculpting business, and she still has a day job. So Karen has to balance between her day job and her new business. And sometimes it means working nights, sometimes it means getting up earlier in the morning. But either way, she's, remaining flexible so that she can balance her responsibilities. And the Two of Pentacles is about balancing those responsibilities. It's about remaining flexible and being able to adapt and, having fun as you take care of, what you need to do versus what you want to do. So now Karen is, making a name for herself. She's building her portfolio up, and she's starting to get some, commissions. And people are coming to her with their ideas and, what they want for their ice sculptures. And, she's showing them, results with the skills that she has. And starting to make a profit. And this is the Three of Pentacles. This is about reputation and collaboration. And it's about, material expression in the form of creating things and building your reputation and, making a name for yourself out in the world. And it's also about expression in the form of working together and collaborating in order to create something that's beneficial for, the creator and the people who are commissioning it. Now Karen is to the point where she's making money and she's holding on to it. She's also holding on to some of her sculptures because they're so great. She doesn't want to sell them. She, wants to enjoy them for herself. And this is the Four of Pentacles. This is where you're holding on to what you've gained and what you've created to the point where you're not letting any new things flow in. You're also not giving away anything that you have because of your fear of losing out. So now Karen's at a point where she is down on her luck. She lost her job and she has to make her ice sculpting business work. And she realizes that by holding on to the money that she made, by holding on to the sculptures that she liked, now she doesn't have any clients because she didn't go market herself. She doesn't have any more money because she held on to the ice sculptures that she liked, and now they're melted and gone. So now she has to persevere and make things work while, having less than what she's used to until she can get back on her feet. And this is the Five of Pentacles. It's about perseverance through poverty. It's about, you may not have all the resources that you're used to or that you need. And you could go to the institutions that are there in place to help you. However, you believe so strongly in what you're doing and what your goal is that you'll move forward through the storm. So now Karen is at a point where she meets someone who is a local business owner. And this local business owner decides that he's going to sponsor Karen and her work. He sees that, she's, a little down on her luck and she needs some help. So he gives her some help in exchange for putting his logo on, her advertising. So not only does Karen benefit from this, but the business owner benefits as well. And this is the Six of Pentacles. This is about the balance between give and take. So now we get to the Seven of Pentacles. And at this point, Karen is starting to get some results. Through her sponsorship, she's starting to gain more clients, make more ice sculptures. And she's seeing that she's getting a certain kind of ice sculpture. She's getting little cherubs and, baby angels, when really she wants to sculpt swans. So now she's at a point where she can look at, okay, what am I doing? How am I marketing myself? Who am I approaching? What kind of clients am I attracting? And she can change her approach in order to change her results. But she can only do that now because she's getting those clients and she's seeing the results of her efforts. And that's the Seven of Pentacles. It's about evaluating your results. You are starting to see, the fruits of your labor, and you can decide whether you want to continue getting more of those results by continuing with the work that you're already doing, or if you want to change those results by adjusting your actions. So now Karen is flush with clients. She has so many clients that she has a waiting list. So she doesn't have to really focus on marketing or, building a reputation. Now she can just focus on the work itself. She can focus on improving her ice sculpting skills. She can take the time to read books and take courses and watch videos to improve her skills so that she's even better at what she's doing. And she can focus on the details of what she's doing and really get into the work. And that's the Eight of Pentacles. It's all about being able to focus on the details. It's about, doing things repeatedly so that you can have that practice under your belt, so that you can improve your skills and learn more and even profit more from it. So now Karen is at the point where she's done so many ice sculptures and created such a name for herself that she has a full-fledged business. And she now has the luxury to take a day off and relax. She can go shopping or watch a movie or take a bubble bath. It doesn't matter, because she's now financially independent and self-sufficient, and she can enjoy those luxuries because she's secure in the fact that she knows what she needs to do to maintain what she's built. And the Nine of Pentacles is all about that financial independence. Really, it's about being able to say, I made this happen. I've, created my own independence and self-sufficiency. And now I can enjoy what I've created. And if I need to create more of it, I also know, how to go about doing that. So now Karen is at the point where her business is so successful that she's hired new people to work with her and help her grow her business. Those people have started to become a family to her. And she, delights in the fact that she can take care of them and help them on their way to financial independence and stability. And that's the Ten of Pentacles, and it's about having that stability and creating a legacy for yourself based on your financial success and your business success, your educational success, things of that nature. It's about being able to share what you've built with others and take care of those around you, because you gain that solid foundation from what you've been doing. And that's the Suit of Pentacles and Karen's story. And you can see how as it progresses, it goes from, using your skills in order to create results and to manifest what you want in life. So now would be a good time to take your worksheet and look at the story that it's outlined there and see how it relates to the meanings of each card. And in the next video, we're going to go through the court cards to see the roles in tarot.